Critical infrastructure runs on legacy protocols like Modbus, DMP3, and BACnet. They're foundational, but fundamentally flawed. They lack native security, particularly encryption. This exposes vital data in transit to eavesdropping, manipulation, and costly attacks. The challenge? You can't just rip out and replace these systems. That's where the human energy grid framework comes in. It's a multi-layered, defense-in-depth architecture designed to secure these protocols without disruptive and costly forklift upgrades. The core innovation is its cryptography system, a unique application layer protocol wrapper. It works by intercepting unsecured traffic at the network edge and applying a dynamic, cryptographically bound tag or key label to every single packet in real time. This label is generated from a server-side secret key, a unique device label, and a timestamp or nonce. This single action transforms a legacy plaintext protocol into an authenticated and confidential data stream. This is achieved through an authenticated encryption model. The dynamic label keys the encryption function, while a separate message authentication code, or MAC, ensures data integrity. If a malicious actor tampers with the ciphertext, the MAC check will instantly fail, ensuring both confidentiality and integrity across the entire ICS network. The human energy grid is a multi-layered architecture built for resilience. First, agentic gateways sit at the network edge, performing the initial protocol wrapping. Second, human energy grid facilities, our hardened data centers, act as centralized hubs for key management and granular policy enforcement. Third, the cloud backbone provides global coordination, auditing, and failover capabilities. And critically, this entire system is integrated with AI or ML models that use federated learning to detect evolving threats in real time without compromising the privacy of proprietary industrial data. Beyond cryptography, the system integrates agentic identity solutions. Agentic logos serve as cryptographically validated digital identity tools, anchoring every device, user, and AI agent to a secure persona. This is all recorded on auditable, private, decentralized ledger systems, creating a dynamically adaptive security perimeter. This framework is a core component of the broader DebitMyData platform. This is where the strategy becomes unique. While the human energy grid is securing safety-critical industrial data, the overall platform is simultaneously positioned to empower and monetize individual data at a global scale through concepts like NFT-backed digital rights. This dual focus ensures the highest level of security for industrial use while future-proofing the architecture for the coming era of personal data sovereignty. The human energy grid framework represents a technically sound and highly valuable solution for a global industrial cybersecurity problem. By securing legacy ICS networks with a non-disruptive cryptographic wrapper, it offers a resilient and future-proof path to operational security. To delve deeper into the technical specifications and explore DebitMyData's unique vision for both critical infrastructure and personal data monetization, email me, your founder CEO Prescott Thomas, directly at prescottthomas@debitmydata.com.